What if your classroom could travel back 10,000 years? Welcome to the Stone Age, a world of hunters, makers, artists, and innovators. In ArchaeoTrack's Stone Age program, pupils step into the deep human past to explore how the first communities lived, adapted, and shaped the world around them. They discover how people survived dramatic climate changes, crafted ingenious stone tools, built shelters, controlled fire, and created breathtaking cave art by flickering torchlight. But the Stone Age isn't just about survival, it's about people. What was it like to grow up as a child in prehistoric societies? What roles did women play in hunting, gathering, crafting, and caring for communities? Using the latest archaeological discoveries, from ancient DNA to microscopic traces on stone tools, pupils explore how archaeologists uncover the lives of real people in the distant past. Then comes one of the greatest transformations in human history. In the Neolithic, people begin to farm, domesticate animals, build villages, and invent pottery, changing how humans live together forever. And pupils don't just learn about these discoveries, they experience them. They step into the role of prehistoric makers, recreating cave paintings, crafting prehistoric jewelry, and shaping their own Neolithic pottery, discovering how archaeologists test ideas through hands-on experimentation. Because archaeology isn't just about looking at the past, it's about curiosity, evidence, and imagination. To see the full range of sessions and workshops available, visit the ArchaeoTrack website.